Welcome back to my travel recap series where I share highlights of what's happening in the travel industry and break down what it means for travelers and those working in the industry. So let's go ahead and dive into today's 2 minutes of travel. Starting off on some not so pleasant news, last week the American Hotel and Lodging Association released data saying that 70% of hotel employees have been laid off or furloughed. That's nearly 3.9 million hotel-supported jobs. The impact of the travel industry is 9 times worse than 9/11, with 8 in 10 hotel rooms across the nation remaining empty. And forecasted occupancy rates are hitting record lows worse than during the Great Depression. If things didn't seem real before, they're getting very real now. Now in cruising, a report by the Miami Herald came out stating that cruises were responsible for at least 2,500 COVID-19 cases and 65 deaths, with many more that have gone unreported. Of course, avid cruisers don't seem to be phased at all, as bookings for 2021 sailings are filling up. Ryanair's chief executive, Michael O'Leary, came out and said that the airline will not fly with empty middle seats. He added, the middle seat doesn't deliver any social distancing, so it's kind of an idiotic idea that doesn't achieve anything anyway. Well, that's a bold word choice, especially considering that he might be fighting about a middle seat that might not be occupied immediately anyway. Also, this middle seat policy would not be a forever change, but a temporary one. Now, Marriott announced that they would be introducing use of a new hospital-grade disinfectant for their properties. The company also is testing a UV light technology for sanitizing room keys, and furniture in public areas will also be rearranged to promote social distancing. Now, for a very cool initiative, Poland is considering providing domestic travel vouchers to encourage travel again. The proposed 1,000 plus program would be designed to boost the Polish tourism industry, and citizens could redeem vouchers for leisure trips and activities including cultural, entertainment, and sporting events. So now if we can glean some insight from Delta CEO Ed Bastian, he said that it could take up to 3 years for demand to return to what it was just a few weeks ago for the airline. He also predicts that passengers will pay more for a premium experience. Well, this is certainly a fair assessment that could also shed some light on the industry's biggest question. How long will it take to recover from this? Well, there you have it for today's 2 minutes of travel. I hope that you learned something new, and I will see you guys next week.